Welcome to Oddonomous Finance Quiz number 1. Questions about money, economics, investments, and financial history. A point per question. Comment with your score. Subscribe for daily quizzes. Get ready. The concept of an inverted yield curve primarily belongs to which field of economics? Exchange and trade theory. International economics. Macroeconomics, financial economics, monetary economics and business cycles. Ooredoo is a major company primarily operating in which industry? Technology, materials science, fast food restaurant, telecommunications, document technology and services. In business and finance, what is the definition of the term capitalization? A measure of financial risk that estimates the maximum potential loss in a given portfolio over a specified time horizon and confidence level. Bonds issued by state or local governments to finance economic development projects and pay for infrastructure improvements. The process of converting an operating expense into a capital expenditure, generally by treating it as an asset on the balance sheet and expensing its depreciation over time. A corporate activity involving the buying, selling, or combination of different companies to create a new entity or increase market share. Who was a founder of the company Constellation Brands Inc.? Marvin Sands, Jess Jackson, Ernest Gallo, Robert Mondavi. In what year was the company Vodafone Group plc founded? 1947, 1977, 1909, 1984. What is the financial term for an aggressively managed investment fund that uses leveraged, long, short and derivative positions across markets and asset classes? Hedge fund. Total return. Whole life insurance. Put option. The company Zoom Video Communications was founded in which country? Italy, France, United States, China. In what year was the company Roche Holding AG founded? 1912, 1951, 1896, 1927. In what year was the company UCB SAW founded? 1995, 1869, 1921, 1988. Who founded the Chinese technology company Alico, formerly LETV? Sheng Li, Lei Jun, Robin Li, Jie Yuding. In business and finance, what is the definition of the term long position? The net amount by which a company's assets exceed its liabilities, also known as shareholder equity or net worth. A financial position in which an investor holds a long-term view that the value of an asset will increase over time. The investor can achieve gains by selling the asset at a higher price than they bought it for. The independent nonprofit organization responsible for establishing and interpreting generally accepted accounting principles in the United States. The reduction in the book value of an asset or accounts receivable when it is considered uncollectible, by expensing the difference between its carrying amount and fair value. In business and finance, what is the definition of the term asset appreciation? A high yield, high risk bond issued by a company with a low credit rating. A type of business group or conglomerate in Japan consisting of closely related companies with interlocking shareholdings, common management and cooperative arrangements. The interest rate that banks charge one another for short-term loans, also known as the discount rate, it's often used by central banks to control inflation and economic growth. The increase in value of an asset over time, usually referring to investments like real estate or stocks that can grow in worth.
If you enjoyed this finance quiz on Autonomous Quiz, please like, dislike, or subscribe if you'd like to see more. I appreciate your feedback and read every comment as this is a spare time hobby. Please be aware that implementing changes may be a gradual process. Autonomy channel contains updates and works in progress on all channels. Autonomy core channel contains general statistics and background information. Happy YouTube travels!